Good day, ma'am. Good day, sir. My name is Hazel Vera Quijano, 37 years of age, married, a mother of a one child, a 3 years old boy. I am a college graduate. I took up Bachelor of Elementary Education. I don't have work experience as a domestic helper, but I have work experience here in Philippines as a volunteer teacher and all-around housemates. My main duties is taking care of children, a 10 years old and a 3 years old girl. And I can do a household chores like cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes, marketing, tutoring, cooking food. I don't know how to cook a Chinese food, but I am eager to learn Chinese cooking. And I know how to cook a Filipino food like chicken and pork adobo, tinola, sinigang, nilaga, pinakbet, ginisang gulay. I describe myself as a person. I am a happy person, kind, honest, responsible, trustworthy, and I can work with vision. My message to my future employer: I am excited to work with you, and I promise I will be nice, honest, and a good helper to your family. Thank you and God bless.